Okay, in this problem, the basic concept is a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so what is a here? This is a and this is b. Okay, so automatically this is equivalent to tan inverse x plus cot inverse x whole square minus 2 tan inverse x cot inverse x is equal to 5 pi square by 8. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x whole square minus 2 tan inverse x cot inverse x is equal to pi square by 8. So please write quickly. I have to change the slide. Okay. I hope you have written tan inverse x plus cot inverse x whole square minus 2 tan inverse x cot inverse x is equal to pi square by 8. Okay. Now what we got? Tan inverse plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Pi square by 4 minus 2 tan inverse x. What is cot inverse x? Pi by 2 minus tan inverse x is equal to 5 pi square by 8. If you simplify it, finally we get 2 tan inverse x whole square minus pi tan inverse x minus 3 pi square by 8 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. So 2t square minus pi t minus 3 pi square by 8. So what is t now? T you get it as pi plus or minus under root of pi square plus 4 into 2 into 3 pi square by 8. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 divided by 2 into 2. So finally what we get? Pi plus or minus 2 pi by 4. So this is equal to tan inverse x. So you get two values. Tan inverse x is equal to 3 pi by 4 or minus pi by 4. So you will take this only because principal angle. So x is equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. There are so many similar problems are there on the basic of the same concept. The same problem can be asked in sin inverse x plus cos inverse x whole square is equal to something k. So the standard procedure for this is always remember convert into one of the angle, like I convert into tan inverse x. Same problems can be asked in sin inverse x whole square plus cos inverse x whole square is equal to k. So same type of question. That's why I wrote some value of k will be given to you. So you have to calculate. So I repeat once again what we use. A square a plus b whole square is a square plus b square. A square plus b square plus 2ab, but we require a square plus b square which is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. I hope this quadratic equation I have not simplified it because simplification you all can do it. So pi square by 4 minus 2 tan inverse x, pi by 2 minus tan inverse x equal to 5 pi square by 8. So you get a quadratic equation. You calculate the t value. Two possibilities. This is why it is not in principal angle. Okay.